Hello YouTube, and welcome to another SY Diagnostics video with me, Skoda Yoda. And today in the land of Ford, what we've got is a 2015 Ford EcoSport, where the tailgate won't open, the rest of the doors are all working fine. So without further ado, let's confirm the fault. Okay, so the vehicle is equipped with keyless entry system. So all I need to do, press this button, that should unlock the whole vehicle, and then pressing the micro switch on the bottom here should unlock the rest of the tailgate itself. By pressing this button, I could feel the vibration from the lock mechanism that appears to be unlocking itself. However, I can faintly hear the solenoid operating when I press the micro switch. So let's get the vehicle in and let's do some diagnostics and hopefully get a fix. Okay, so the parcel shelf's out and the back seats are down. What I need to do now is, by some means, get the tailgate cover off. As you can see at the bottom of it, there's two little holes. Inside there are two torque screws, T20 torque screws. Got to get them out, and then the trim itself is held on with poppers all the way around. So I've got to get it off to expose the lock mechanism. Okay, so as you can see, I've managed to take off the trim for the tailgate from the inside, and what this exposes now is the lock mechanism, which you can just see there. Let me try and get the phone on it for you. Let's see if we can focus in. There we go. And very difficult to see, but we've got a electric solenoid which pulls a cable, which in turn pulls a lock mechanism. I can just get my finger to the mechanism itself. I can see the solenoid is moving when somebody operates the lock for me. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this metal plate off, and then that will be able to let me get off the handle mechanism, which looks like a dummy light, and hopefully from the outside I'll be able to get to the mechanism and open the door. So let's see if this works. Okay, so I've managed to strip the door down from the inside. Managed to even take the light out as well from the inside, which does expose then the locking mechanism. And as you can see, if I push the switch, the solenoid does work, and if you can see on the right hand side, the linkage is moving. However, the more I press, the less action from the solenoid. So what I need to do now, I'll just get my finger in just here on the linkage, push it up, and as you can see now, the door now opens. But what I'll do first, I'll check all the feeds and everything on the solenoid itself to make sure we've got full operation. Okay, so what I've got rigged up here, I've disconnected the connector off the solenoid, just back probe it down the side of the pin so as not to spread the pins, connected it to a bulb, and what I'm going to do now is operate the micro switch on the door, on the release handle. And as you can see, every time I operate it, we're flashing the bulb. Just a simple test to confirm that we've got the correct voltage at the solenoid itself. As I mentioned before, when I was operating the central locking, I could hear the motor clicking itself. So the rest of the vehicle unlocks, the rest of the vehicle locks. So what we need now is a lock mechanism and a solenoid. Right, so the lock's out now. It's just held in with just 3 screws, that's it. And a 6-pin multi-plug connector. So that was pretty straightforward. That's the offending item. Comes as a complete unit itself. And here we have a new one. So let's get it fitted, built back up, and let's confirm the fix. Okay, so now we've got the door lock fitted. and all connected back up, all secured, all electrically connected. What I'll do, I'll press the micro switch on the release handle, and as you can see, the tailgate now opens. So let's get it built back up. Okay, so we built all the trims back, taking the vehicle outside now, all parked up. Vehicle is locked. I press the button to unlock it, and look, lo and behold, the tailgate works. So, new lock sorted the problem. So that's a fix in my eyes, and thanks for watching.